students. I'm Ilham here. Today I'm going to teach you your chapter number 11, that is triangles and quadrilaters. And today my topic is here rectangle and properties of a rectangle. Okay, so let's start. Here this is chapter number 11, triangles and quadrilaters, and my topic is today rectangle and its properties So what is rectangle? Here this is the shape of rectangle ABCD. This is the shape of a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all angles measure 90 degree. All angles measure. This is also a type of parallelogram. 90 degree. All angles are of measure 90 degree. 90 degree each. Okay. Here, if a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel means AB is this side, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Okay? In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel means AB, this is symbol for parallel, is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. Then parallel sides are equal. The sides which are parallel are also equal in length. Okay, means AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and AD, I can write in bold, and AB is equal to DC. First condition ki in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and those parallel sides are also equal. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC and AD is equal to BC. Okay. We can say कि in a rectangle, what is rectangle first of all? This is also a type of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a four-sided closed polygon. As you know, in a quadrilateral, by angles of property, all the angles are of measure 360 degree. But in triangle case, the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So here rectangle, in case of rectangle, a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all angles measure here 90 degree each. Then when you will add all these angles 90 degree, 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree, you will get how much? 360 degree. Okay. In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and those parallel sides are also equal in length. So now let's start the properties of a rectangle. Okay. So first of all, property of rectangle is in a rectangle ABC, all angles are equal and make right angle. All angles are equal. All angles are equal and make 90-degree angle each. All angles are equal and make here angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. How much? All are of 90-degree measure. All are of 90-degree measure. Okay. Then diagonals. Second is property is diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. As you know, how diagonal is made? When opposite vertices, when we join opposite vertices, diagonal is constructed. Diagonal is constructed by joining two opposite vertices. Okay. Then I am joining now vertices D and B. D and B. Okay. I have joined vertices A and C and got diagonal AC, and joined vertices B and D. I have got diagonal BD. Then second property of this rectangle is कि diagonals are equal. Now, which are diagonals? Look at the figure. Which are diagonals here? AC and BD. AC and BD. So, diagonals are equal. Second property is in a rectangle, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Equal means A this much AC is equal to AC. Here diagonal is AC. Okay, this is the diagonal AC. Okay, AC and BD means are equal. AC is equal to BD. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal means AC is equal to BD. Okay. Then diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Bisect each other. These are intersecting each other. Suppose at point O. So we can say in third, the diagonals bisect each other. Each other means OA will be is equal to OC. OA will be is equal to OC, and OD, your DO will be is equal to OB, and OD will be is equal to OB. Diagonal bisect each other. So in case of a rectangle, we can say कि the diagonals bisect each other means OA is equal to bisect each other. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. You can say OA is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OB. Okay. Then we can say कि the properties of a rectangle, first of all angles are equal and make 90 degree each. Are of measure how much? 90 degree. हर एक एंगल इसका क्या होगा? In a rectangle 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D means all are of measure 90 degree. Then in a rectangle diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Then the diagonals bisect each other means OA is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OB. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, this is about which quadrilateral today? Rectangle. This is about rectangle, and you should learn all these properties of a rectangle and try to note down in your notebook also. You will note down in your notebook carefully. In my next video, I will tell you about square, properties of square, rhombus and properties of a rhombus. Okay. So in case of a square, you know the shape of square, all the sides are of equal length. Here same condition, all angles are of measure 90 degree and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals will be perpendicular to each other and diagonals bisect each other. Okay. So you will learn here these properties of rectangle, and stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, be protected from COVID-19. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.